Hello my dear friends, we just arrived in Singapore and I already ran into my friend Bunny, who's the founder of Dora, which is a multi-chain block explorer. So I would like to know from him what is Dora in a few words, and what makes Dora different from the other block explorers in the space.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you for having me.
Thanks for you.
Yeah. So Dora is a multi-chain search engine and block explorer. What sets us apart from other block explorers is that we focus on the consumer aspect of on-chain exploration instead of just focusing on developer tooling. What we believe that in the exact same way that Google helped onboard us into an online world by helping us discover different online experiences, we're unifying and helping other people discover on-chain experiences across every single chain and every single virtual machine that we integrate.
Very good. And I also saw that you're implementing some kind of products in your platform. For example, if I remember well, you also have a swapping function. Maybe also do you allow your users to provide liquidity?
Yeah. So we are starting by meeting users where they're at. Right now, a lot of our users use Dora as a multi-chain portfolio tracker, and because they start tracking all of their portfolios on Dora, we are also enabling them to also rebalance their portfolio, maybe buy something else with something else that they already have on their wallet address. So therefore we enable intra-chain swapping, cross-chain swapping, and also bridging of their tokens.
Okay.
So whenever we integrate a new chain, we run this campaign, we tell people, hey, we are integrating this entire new ecosystem, we help, and we can enable them to get onboarded into this new chain through a single interface.
Very good. And I also noticed that you also provide some kind of also marketing assistance to the project to the chains that you integrate, right?
Yeah, correct. We believe that every single chain deserves the spotlight, especially when they launch, and whenever they get integrated into Dora, we try to make this a very special moment for not only the chain but also the community of it all, because that they are truly the one that matter, right? Like you cannot really grow a chain without having users. If we're able to actually channel a lot of our user base towards every chain that we integrate, that is how we feel like everybody wins.
Absolutely. And I also know that you're a big connoisseur of the liquid staking and restaking field. And I would like to know what are your impressions from that kind of field? What makes you the most excited about it? And also, are you planning to integrate that primitive in Dora as well?
I think that we're definitely looking into how to go about integrating it into Dora. A lot of our users are very interested on exploring different chains and also be able to not only generate yield from them, but also be able to use these chains' economic security for different product settings that might be coming to Dora very soon. I think it all comes from a place of genuinely, again, meeting users where they're at. And if users right now want to explore new chains and also find new sources of yield and be able to interact with the yield on those chains, I think that us integrating these types of products makes complete sense.
Well, very exciting, and that's all. Thanks a lot for this very fast interview, and hopefully looking forward to your next development at Dora, and have fun in Singapore.
Thank you so much. Hope you have a wonderful time too.
Thanks guys, thanks a lot guys, and see you on the next clip.